back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
After that, you're going to have the 7J of Dalton Jacobs going to be on the Speedway. You got the 7A, also a Corey Allman. How about the 33G from the Massey Power Motorsports crew? It's going to be Shane Greco going to be joining us here tonight. And you got the 5 of Kobe Quick out there. And after that, it's going to be Brayson Fulton in the B6 machine as well, coming on the front stretch here for a hot lap for qualifying. It's going to be the number 17 into the Gunther's Honey machine. That's Thug Nasty Logan Robinson out on the Speedway. I believe that number 5 there, that's going to be Chesney going to be joining us. And yes, it is from the Chesney Logistics number 5 crew. So, you know, another good studded field of American All-Star Series Pro late models, JD.
You know, each and every time cars come on the track, there's going to be a bunch of heavy hitters. Like I said, there's 36 cars here, 37 cars, but there's 37 good drivers. And each and every hot lap session that's going to come out, there's going to be another driver that's just as good as the first group.
Absolutely, and we're getting ready to roll them off once again. It's still going to be all, let me get the board up here for everybody out there. It's still Billy Beecher out there with a 16.918 quick time overall here tonight. As we have the green flag back underway here once again, we'll see if anybody can beat Billy Beechler's time. So far, the locals, I would say, are out in front.
Yeah, you got the 17 of Logan Robertson. You know, he's so far, I can say he's an all-time winningest driver with the American All-Star Series here at Natural Bridge. He picked up almost 35,000 in winnings just here at Natural Bridge alone one season. Has not won this year here, but I know he's got his mindset on go tonight. He's let 2 slip away from him, and he's definitely going to be on go tonight.
So far, Logan Robinson going to be the quick time overall with a 16.924 this time, as he is close to Billy Beechler's time, as he'll put Logan Robinson second quick so far, as Billy Beechler's time still holding on. Benji kicks. Trevor Side's going to go third quick with a 17.024. Dalton Jacobs says, we got one going around. That's going to be the 7, I believe, of Corey Allman.
That is Jacobs.
Actually, it's Brandon Jacobs. Thank you very much, as Jacobs going to go around in that number 7 machine. I think he did 2 Pearl lets trying to get that car back around.
Yeah, he right as you was mentioning his name, he went into turn 1 right there, got a little. That's Garth up there, so Garth will get right with those guys. He won't let them get the better hand on them.
Garth, the flagman here tonight, as JD's here. I worked with Garth many times ago, but we're back underway here for more American All-Star Series warm-ups here tonight. Dust is already starting to fly as this racetrack's already slick off early. And like Zach Size said, he did want to see a slicked off racy racetrack here tonight.
Yeah, we got smoke coming out of Kendall Tucker's 00 double nickel car, and that is not good. As we just talked to him earlier, you know, so not sure what's going on there. Hopefully nothing terminal that's going to take out his night tonight.
Looks like that 00 machine, as Garth's going to give him the white flag, and now he comes to a stop on the Speedway for hot laps here tonight for the American All-Star Series, but smoke continues to pour out of that car, and it's still going to be all Trevor Size so far, the quick time, but I don't think they got any laps in, so I'm going to Ken to the 00 of Kendall Tucker out of that BHR 55 machine, and looks like that engine might have went in smoke there,
yeah,
JD.
That's a tough break for that Mount Airy driver. He's picked up 2 wins here with the 602s and was looking to have a good night here.
Well, JD, it looks like they're going to get Kendall Tucker's car into the infield, and I'll tell you what, I'm ready for more hot laps. So far, as the top 3 stands, it's Trevor Size out in front with a 16.641, Billy Bleacher with a 16.918. So Size got a 3/10 of a lead in hot laps so far, as Garth up there is going to give him the green and white. Man, look at Garth wave those flags as we are back underway.
Yeah, and there's the other 7A. That's Justin Williams in that 7A car, owned by David Allman. Also, we got Sean Walker, the 22 of Jeremy Steele. This guy's got a little history with this place. A couple years ago, on this very weekend, he was leading the race with about 15 to go, lost the motor.
So looking at the times here so far, looks like Tyler Hoy, Jeremy Steele now with a 16, Ronnie Martin Jr. now up to a 16.671. So track is starting to get a little bit faster, I believe, as it's going to be Ronnie Martin Jr. now up second quick with Jeremy Steele with a 16.843. Billy Beecher.
Slick off, but it's still going to be racy, and it's going to be a great night.
So the last time you were here, we had that big monsoon. It was rough and everything else, as we got more American All-Star Series Pro late models coming out. Who not but your current PPM Racing products, the 002. It's going to be Tyler Arrington. Meanwhile, the 7K, that will be Keaton Smith. You'll have the 41 JT of John Davis going to be showing up here tonight. I believe that number 14, that's going to be Bryson Fleming. And I'll tell you what, Bryson Fleming is a magnificent hero to our country, by the way. Served a lot of tours over in Afghanistan and Iraq. And I'll tell you, that man right there in that brand new body, that thing is looking sharp. That is Bryson Fleming, that 14T.
We thank him for his service, and we're happy to have him here at Natural Bridge Speedway. How about that number 44 sporting a new look? He was the winner the last time you guys were here.
Oh, John Regario Jr. Yes, he's in a Rocket XR1 chassis now. And by the way, I heard the owner of that race car just bought Friendship Speedway, so more to come out of that as well. As John Regario Jr. got $10,000, and we pulled his motor right out of the parking lot.
Well, that's surprised to hear him. He drove the Longhorn House crate car for a number of years, and so to see him in a Rocket, that's very interesting.
So we'll see what we got as far as time. Tyler Arrington going to hit the board with a 16.791. There's still Trevor Size overall on the top here for your hot lap session. We'll see if John Regario Jr. is going to be 19 quick at this time, as you will have Trevor Size still up.